Hey guys, check out this brand new WAVLINK docking station, right? Wait, I can't even call this a docking station. With this thing here, you're gonna be able to unleash your ultimate command center for your computer, for your Mac. You know what I mean? And what I mean by that is you're gonna be able to connect 5 4K resolution monitors into this, or even dual 8K monitors. Yes, even if you have a Mac, I tell you, that is what is setting this apart from the competition. This is gonna have that brand new DisplayLink chip in it, right? That's gonna be that DL7400 chip, and that is amazing to have inside this docking station. WAVLINK really knows what they're doing, and they're really stepping up to crush the competition with their docking stations. I tell you, I am gonna see this just eating out those Dells in workstations, in work offices across the nation. I guarantee you that, because this is blowing me away. So right off the bat, let me tell you that WAVLINK sent this to me as a gift because I love brand new technology, and I love a docking station that's gonna step up from the rest. And this is definitely do that just by that 5 4K resolution monitors that you can plug into a Mac. This is great, right? So when I opened up that box, I love the packaging that they packaged in this. I started pulling out all the pieces, and I was impressed with this docking station. I'm impressed with that matte black on it and how it just shines and how it looks just so elegant and classy. You know what I mean? And then right on the front of it here, you're gonna have your 2 USB-A's and 2 USB-C's. And these are gonna be the 10 gigabyte speeds. Every port on this is going to be pushing that 10 gigabyte speed, I tell you. So that's what makes this just fantastic. And then you got your nice little button right there, and that is just elegant as well. I'm telling you, I am in love with the design, right? And then on the back of it, you're going to have your 2 display port inputs, and then you're going to have 3 HDMI inputs, right? And then you're going to have your Cat 5, your Ethernet, 2.5 gig Ethernet cable input, right? And then you're gonna have your power plug that's gonna plug into this, and that's gonna have its own power adapter that plugs into the wall, right? So this is also gonna charge your laptop when you have it plugged in. And then the input wire on this, I was blown away. So it's a USB-C cable, and it even has a screw on it to screw it into the back of that docking station. And that is phenomenal, I tell you. And it looks classy and great. And then this cable also has the USB-A adapter on it, so you can plug it into a laptop that doesn't have that USB-C, or if you're using that for another connection, right? So I am loving this docking station. I set everything up, and I set up my 5 monitors, and I'm able to switch this out between my mini PC, between my 2 laptops, and between my wife's laptop as well. This is crazy, and it's just plug and play. You plug it in, and then all your screens come up, right? And I was not losing any performance with this. So I do a lot of video editing, so I put it to the test with some 4K video editing, and it held up with no problem. So I'm like, okay, let's bump this up, right? So I had some 4K YouTube videos playing. I opened up my graphic design program, started doing some designs on that. You know what I mean? I even opened up a game here, some WoW, and logged into that and had that playing as well. So I'm easily able to move these around from screen to screen to screen to screen to screen with no lag, with no stutter, with no down performance at all, you tell ya. I opened up my task manager, and I wanted to take a look at my CPU, my memory, and my GPU performance, right? So I checked it out before I plugged anything into it, and then I checked it out as I was plugging in all 5 of my monitors, and then I checked it out as I had everything running, right? And I am not seeing no big performance lag from this docking station at all. This is blowing me away. I know I keep saying it, but this is a phenomenal docking station. This is going up and above that I could even imagine, I tell you. So I have been on this nonstop since I set this up, and I am in love with it, right? So then also in the front, like I said, you got those 4 ports and you got your headphone jack there. So this is gonna be great in workplace environments as well, where you're gonna manually set up that docking station at all of your workstations, right? So then your employees are gonna be able to come in, just plug in, and boom, they have everything there. You can hook up your keyboard and your mice and have everything all pre-set up. So when they plug it in, boom, 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 you're ready to go, right? And I used to have one of those Dell docking stations that I use for my productivity station here, and I thought that was great, right? But nope, I noticed such a big difference even in my performance and my speed when I put this in, right? And the resolution on my screens looks so much better. It's that native 4K in all of my monitors, you know what I mean? So all in all, if you're looking for a new docking station or you're looking to invest in new docking stations for your work environment, I'm highly gonna recommend this WAVLINK docking station here. Wait, it's not a docking station, right? This is gonna be that ultimate command center, like I said. Or maybe you're just looking for a way to hook up multiple monitors to your Mac PC, your Mac laptop. You know what I mean? This right here is gonna be the way to go. Maybe you're looking for that hub that has that DisplayLink chip inside of it. You know what I mean? So you're gonna get that performance. This is gonna have everything, all the bells and the whistles that you need, and this is definitely not gonna become obsolete anytime soon. I mean, this is you buying into your future, your PC future. This is amazing. So all in all, I just gotta say, this docking station here is just fantastic.